A recent study found that eyelash extensions can draw attention to your eyes. Lashing artist Ash Santiago shares tips on how to maintain healthy lashes. In addition, Santiago recommends cleaning the lashes twice a day, brushing them with spoolie brushes, and completely drying wet lashes. Avoid saltwater, oily makeup, and swimming to protect your lash extensions. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. For more information, please click on the link in the description.